Hello everyone, this is Pauline Angel, URK20CS1015 from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Karunya. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to create a use case diagram for any Android app for the subject of software engineering. So in software engineering, we have to create different kind of use case diagrams or class diagrams regarding the project that we have selected. So for my project, I have decided to create an application, an Android application called Pet Station app. It allows the user, or it's just like an online purchase or shopping app which we see in our daily lives. So this is different from normal online apps because it allows the user to communicate with different other users, and it gives you the option to select, like if you are a customer, you can get into the app as a customer, or if you are a service provider, you can select for service provider, or if you are a job applicant, you can go with job applicant. So it gives you different kind of options, and it allows you to communicate with different kind of users. So this is a whole online app which can be downloaded for any Android devices. So for this, I have created a user case diagram. So this diagram gives us a basic outline of what this application is. So as I have explained before, this is an Android app called Pet Station app. So I have created a use case diagram for this. It's an outline which gives you the details of this application. So I'm going to explain you this one. So first, I have created an actor called user1. So using this star UML software, and I have created this use case diagram. So this use case diagram is giving us options to give an outline to the developer. So I have created an actor for this. So this actor is nothing but let's say it's just a user one. So this is one user. So basing on this user end, how is it going to connect with the app management? So for that, I have created another actor called app management, and I have defined it with this name. So this user is going to get connected with the app management, and what kind of what process will be done between these two actors. Let's see them one by one. So let's say this user has downloaded our app called Pet Station. So after downloading the app, this will get connected with the server. So this app management gets a link from this user end, which says that this particular user has downloaded the app, and this app management here, which is working behind, has to provide the access for the user. So the server activation will be done after downloading the app. So after this downloading and server activation, it asks us for the privacy. So for any software or for any application, definitely there will be some privacy policies before going into the app. So from this app management, or from this portal end, it will generate a privacy policy which is having different kind of instructions. So from this side, the user end has to agree with the policy, and then after agreement of the privacy policy, it receives this app management, or this portal management will receive the answer which will be directed to them. And then after getting the answer, it gives us it asks for login details. So user has to give their login details for the app management, and then it will get the login details from the user. So after getting the login details, which will give a portal it will give access for the user to create a profile. So this portal will be activated to create a profile for the user. So a separate profile will be created for every user. So after creating the profile, it asks for the app management will ask for the authentication verification. So this authentication verification is nothing but to see whether the particular user who has installed this is having an authenticated ID, is having authenticated government verified details. So after collecting this after creating this profile, it will ask for the authentication verification so as to verify these particular details, and after that it will start working with the app options. So this app option is having interactions with service provider. So if this user want to interact with the service provider, it will connect the portal for the service provider. So this app management will be giving two portals, different kind of portals. For example, if it is having service provider portal, and if this user wants to go and see the portal of the service provider, what the service provider is offering, or if he wants to purchase, he has to go and check with the service provider. So this user has to interact with the service provider. So for this interaction, this portal will be this app management will create a connection between the portal for the service provider and the interaction of the user. And then if the user wants to purchase anything from the service provider, then the purchasing from service provider, then it will again connect with the service provider. And then after getting connected and after the user has purchased something from the service provider, then the portal will be directed to online transactions. Since this is an online app, these online transactions will be enabled, and then from the user end, they have to go with the payment and booking. So they have to pay the particular amount for their purchase, and different kind of order details and all that. So this payment and booking will be connected with these online transactions, and then after payment is successful, it will give the option, like it will give the message as purchase has been done, and this detail or this message will be received in the user end. So this is an outline of what kind of transactions and what kind of interactions will be done between the user end and the app management end. So this is called the user case diagram. So for this particular pet station app which I'm working on, this is the particular use case diagram. So these are called the relations between the actors, and this is called use case. This oval shape is called the use case, and these are called the tags, which we can give different kind of information or any other detailed information about why this relationship is being connected, or what this relationship will define, and etc. So this is called the use case diagram. Hope you understood this well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.